Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you fix the issue if your mouse cursor is not visible. So this issue can occur due to variety of reasons, but the most common one is the non-updation of the drivers, or there is some issue with your mouse drivers. So how do we solve this? That's what I'm going to discuss. So the first step you need to do is, and I'm going to discuss all these steps just using the keys of the keyboard so that you don't have to worry if your mouse is not visible. So press the Windows key from your keyboard and just type in device manager to bring up the device manager in the control panel. Press enter to open it up. Then press the tab key so that you are able to highlight the desktop. Then go using the down arrow key, go to this option that says mice and other pointing devices. Then press the right arrow key and go to the mouse that you want to work with. So here I have two mouse. One is my touchpad of my laptop and the other is an external mouse that I have connected. So in the external mouse I'm going to expand the options. So just press shift and F10 from your keyboard so that you will get this option. Now using the down arrow key, just go to the update driver option and press enter. Once you are in this option, just press search automatically for drivers. Just press enter for this, and this would automatically begin searching for the drivers, and whatever drivers are missing, it would automatically install them. Once the drivers are installed, then your mouse cursor would start to show. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.